So today I'm going to tell you how to make a trick house. So you might not know what it means. Well, when you make it, you do it. First, start out with this. I put a money, so I attached this. So when I first made it, I thought if I put money to make them the person who fell happier, forgetting they got hurt. So start out with this, and then we'll do this as a door. Whoa. So let's do this. Well, no, and yes. Or yes. Cool. Okay, so I attach this piece, and then we just do some normal pieces like that. 1, 2, so they're going to fall. Then we do it like this, the other way. From the other, keep attaching 3 more, 3 between. And then you attach this the same way as we did the first one. And then finally attach this. And here, attach that, attach to here. And there, you got your trick house. So when they climb up here, they open the door and then just fall on the grass. They're like, ow! But I put the money there to make them like, and they forget about forget that they're hurt. So, thank you for watching this video today. Please subscribe and hit the like. And I'll see you in the next video.